Good day, students! Today you are going in for an exciting ride to get to know a very notable person in the aspect of quality. And that's me! Not the son, but the father of quality.
Dr. Joseph M. Juran is the father of many quality management techniques still used in the industries all over the world today. He was born in Romania in 1904 and earned a degree in electrical engineering. During World War I, he began working for the Bell system. After taking a position at New York University's Department of Industrial Engineering, he also began writing the Quality Control Handbook in 1951.
Dr. Juran's reputation in the field of quality management spread worldwide. He held sessions with senior and middle managers from various Japanese firms, explaining how to incorporate quality control activities into their processes. In 1979, Dr. Juran founded the Juran Institute with a mission to create a global community of practice to empower organizations and people to push beyond their limits.
Major contributions to quality revolution. First, we have the Pareto Principle. In 1941, Juran applied the Pareto Principle to quality concerns in the organization. Second, we have the management theory. Juran is widely acknowledged for the addition of the human dimension to quality management. Juran proposed that human relations problems are supposed to be isolated and that fundamental cause of quality issues was resistance to change. Third, we have the Juran Trilogy. Juran was one of the first to point out the cost of poor quality. He pointed out that without change, there will be a constant waste. However, margins will be higher and the increased costs are recouped after the improvement. Transfer of quality knowledge between East and West. He became aware of the concept of quality circles during his visit to Japan in 1966. He preached this concept with enthusiasm in his assignments in the West.
Wow, such a brilliant man. Didn't know I had that in me.
Quality practices impacted by the contributions of the Guru Joseph M. Juran. First, we have the use of the Pareto chart, which is used in quality control and Six Sigma practices. Second, we have the training and management of managers. This practice has been impacted by Juran through his management theory. Third is the use of three principles. Joseph M. Juran pioneered the practice and usage of these three principles, called the Quality Trilogy. It explains that any organization taking up a journey in quality management will have to have three processes, including quality planning, quality control, and quality improvement.
You know, during my prime days, I used to say this saying, it is important that top management be quality-minded because in the absence of sincere manifestation of interest at the top, little will happen below. And this is one of my famous words that total quality management practitioners must remember. Well, let us hear from some of my selected students for their takeaways.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to be talking about my takeaways. So I learned that Dr. Joseph Juran understood that the customer and the manufacturer have very different views of product quality and cost. In more recent years, our views of total cost of ownership are starting to align with the customer's view. He also understood that we need to motivate people to take action and reduce errors.
He is a well-known quality guru who was one of the first to write on the cost of poor quality. He made many contributions to the field of quality management, and also he established a method that became known as the Juran Trilogy.
What I have learned about Juran is that he is always remembered as one of the pioneers of quality management, as well as for the massive changes and impact that he has brought to quality management in businesses around the world. He was always after training and education for managers. His efforts on quality management define success for many businesses today.
What I've learned about Juran is that he believes that the majority of quality problems are the fault of poor management, not the poor workmanship, and that long-term training to improve quality should start at the top with the senior management. He also emphasized that quality control should be conducted as an integral part of management control.
He was one of the most prominent quality guru and the first to write about the cost of poor quality, and he developed an approach that became known as the Juran Trilogy. He is often called the father of quality because of the management principles that he reinvented. Juran has made significant contributions to the total quality management field, and he is an honorary member that showed a huge amount of interest in everything about total quality until he finally attained his retirement.
I see Joseph M. Juran as a notable figure in the total quality management aspect, as is known to be the father of modern-day quality management. So he even developed his own methodologies and processes and even his own principles. He serves as an inspiration to people who have met him, as this brilliant man is not only an engineer, teacher, trainer, consultant, but also a writer. So he has done so much for the quality field, and one striking quote that I have read about him is that he said, "All improvements happen from project to project and in no other way." So this for me is a simple reminder to always aim for continuous improvement when it comes to aiming for the quality of your project around. But that is all. Thank you.